So how to text game and apps, online marketing. Okay. So in 2021, the online gaming industry was what? 178.73 billion, with an increase of 14.4% from 2022. It also holds the largest share in the global digital media market. So, as a result, money opportunity have often rare for users to make money online by testing game and gaming apps. So discover game you will love and earn reward for playing. So some game or apps like Mist Pay required player to platform specific tricks and collector reward in gaming currency that can be redeemed and dollar late. The global bet text network by keyword studio pay people to pay games before release others platform. So like Gibling and Golden Hearts game offer online games with real cash prizes, while these games and offs provide an easy way to make money online. Make sure to click review before installing or signing up for them. Some use this platform as a front for scaling personal information and bank details. Okay, so discover new games, play and collect unit, redeem reward. Discover game will you will love and earn reward for playing. So thank you everyone.